Why does this ancient 3-ingredient remedy work better than cough syrup? Science shows that lemon, turmeric, and garlic fight coughs from the roots, not by suppressing symptoms like chemical syrups do. Lemon breaks mucus, turmeric reduces inflammation, and garlic kills viruses and bacteria naturally. Together, they open your airways, soothe your throat, and boost immunity without drowsiness or side effects. The mixture: 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 crushed garlic clove. Add warm water or honey. Try this tonight and feel the difference by morning. Follow more natural health tips.